Underwood Paracord Bracelet with a diamond stop knot. Aloha everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Before we start creating this awesome paracord bracelet, if you like this video, on the end please leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet using this dark green Paracord 550 and this lake blue Paracord also 550. Dark green is around 2 meters and the lake blue is about 2.7 meters. The length will be down below in the description of this video. Also, if you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet with the Runic beads I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also check the description box down below. The credits for today's project goes to House of Cords for this excellent design. And first we'll join our two paracords into one. We're gonna fuse it like I did here, and we can start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see the first thing that we're gonna do today. We're gonna create a little bite with the dark green around 1 inch, and we're gonna pull it by that end and measure our wrist to find the length of a bracelet we're gonna make today. So always leave around 1 inch or 2 fingers between the end of a bracelet or a bracelet length and your wrist so it will fit you well. So here I'm gonna pinch it and then we're gonna lock it with the simple basic cobra knot or a Solomon weave. So I'm gonna take the dark green, make it on top of those two cords and pinch it again. Now with the lake blue on top of the dark green, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. On the left side, the dark green, which will be our core color, and the lake blue will be our accent color. So we're gonna take the dark green and make it on top of those two cords and pull it to the side. Now with the lake blue on top of the dark green, around and from the back through the loop on the left side. By doing this, as you know, we will form the Solomon knot or a cobra weave, but we're gonna do the one more round with the lake blue, so around and from the back through the loop on the left side again. Now again, dark green on top of those two cords, lake blue on top of the dark green, around from the back through the loop. Sorry about the mess, we have lots of cartridges to work with. Now again, on top, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. So now from here we're gonna take the fits and we're gonna insert the both cords into this loop here. I'm gonna zoom a bit. So take the fit and insert from the top into the loop here. And this end also. And now from here we're gonna take the fits and pull it through the loop here. And here we will create the stop knot. So we're gonna take the ends of a cord, pull it through our fingers, and we're gonna take the dark green, twist it counterclockwise, like so. And now we're gonna take the lake blue, make it under this dark green, and then on top and through the loop here under this lake blue, like so. And from here we're gonna take again the lake blue, make it around, but before that we're gonna take the dark green and make it around and next to this first lake blue through the middle. So we're gonna make it around and close to this first lake blue and through the middle, like so. And with the lake blue around next to this dark green and through the middle. So here we are, our today's project is finished, our bracelet is done. I hope that you like this video. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Also leave us a comment what you think about this bracelet.